Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to create an wavy line pattern on Adobe Illustrator. First, we are going to select an artboard. Our artboard size will be 1920 and 1080. After selecting the artboard, choose the rectangle tool and create a rectangle. .30 or 25, 35 would be good. Our width is the artboard size. After aligning the rectangle, select the effect panel, then select distort and transform and transform. Set up a vertical distance. 35 would be 35, give it 45 or something. Okay, this is very close to our original line. Just 60, 35, 70, twice the width. Good enough. Set up your required copies. You can take as many copies as you need. I will take 21st. Still more than my artboard. Okay, 15 is good for my artboard. I'm going to take it. Then go to object panel, expand appearance. Then go to object panel again, then take envelope distort, select make with mesh. You can give it as many rows and columns as you need. I will take 4 to 8. Okay, then select direct selection tool, again with direct selection tool. Select the points you need to move. Then you just move around the points as you need randomly, like this. Distort as you like. Distort the points as you like. Just play around with the buttons and you will get something natural like shaped. There is no requirement or definite patterns for moving. You just do it any way you like. Just fiddle around with the cursor or points, anchor points, hands, anyway you want to play with them or move them around anywhere you like. Some points may seem abnormal or more distorted than others, but don't worry, the end result will always be the good pattern you want. If you don't like something, just move them or play them the way you like it. That's the way. I'm just playing with every point now. I guess this point looks a bit airy. Just move or round them. Okay, just it becomes more distorted than the others, I guess. Okay, this is exactly the same. Okay, I guess this should suffice our pattern. Sorry. Just zoom this pattern. And select, make an rectangle at the size of our artboard. First you can change our colors, so I am going to change our colors. I created some gradient colors for our design. Just copy the color, select it, and go to object, expand the design or wave lines. After you expand this wave line, select the color again and again the wavy lines, then give gradient to it. After you give color or gradient or anything you like to the design, you can just do anything to your design, like changing the angles or design color. You just need to expand the color, then mask the wavy lines, make a clipping mask. There you go. There you have your wavy line pattern. Thank you, and if you like my video, please subscribe to our channel. Until our next video, goodbye.